Hi folks, welcome back. If you like this video, feel free to like and subscribe. Also let us know what Mercedes cars you'd like featured in the comments section. Today we are discussing the 2017 Mercedes E-Class All-Terrain. This luxurious E-Class estate was modified for customers who wanted a roomy estate with extra off-road capability. The Mercedes E-Class estate has been a super seller for Mercedes, especially since the W123 release in the 1970s. The W123 estate is now of the world's only estate cars that is fast becoming a valuable classic car. It came standard with 4MATIC all-wheel drive and boasted increased ground clearance due to its air-body control multi-chamber air suspension. This made it a versatile choice for those needing confidence when off-road, but not quite the high ride high of a full off-roader, such as those needing to tow a horsebox or camping fans. The debut model was the E220 4MATIC, which sported a newly engineered 4-cylinder diesel engine, 143 kilowatt, 194 horsepower, and a 9-speed 9G-tronic automatic transmission. This transmission is still used across the range. Interestingly, it never came in a petrol version. It featured a 9-speed automatic transmission, delivering barely noticeable, smooth shifts. It also responded reasonably well to throttle movements when in auto mode. This transmission was paired with a 4-wheel drive system, enhancing the car's off-road capabilities and aiding in towing. When released for sale in 2017, the base price stood at €58,101.75, approximately €4,700 higher than its counterpart, the E220 4MATIC estate, a significant investment at the time. There is no doubt that it was developed to compete against the Audi Allroad and Volvo V90 crossover. So was it any good? The Mercedes E-Class estate was already proven as class leader. The All-Terrain, introduced as a rugged counterpart to the E-Class estate, boasted a higher suspension, plastic body cladding, and 4-wheel drive. In reality, it made perfect sense. The interior was just as luxurious as the standard E-Class, delivering top-notch comfort in a slightly less modern but still upmarket and pleasant environment than a BMW 5 Series. Its exterior maintained the sharp design of the E-Class, although the increased ride height gave it a unique stance, and the plastic arch covers also made the car stand out from the standard estate. The all-terrain model came equipped with dual 12.3-inch infotainment displays, inclusive of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This visually appealing setup provided a plethora of functionalities. One screen functioned as a dial display behind the steering wheel, while the other served as a typical infotainment screen. Its spacious cabin made it easy to find a comfortable driving position. Although the BMW 5 Series offered slightly more rear seat space, the E-Class All-Terrain remained generous for both adults and children in the back seats. What distinguished the All-Terrain even further was its impressive boot space. It was larger than that of the BMW 5 Series Touring and the Audi A6 Avant, and its wide, square-shaped simplified loading. Moreover, its flat floor made it easier to slide items in and out. Indeed, the boot was one of the most impressive aspects of the all-terrain model, which was only available as an estate. Like its standard E-Class counterpart, the all-terrain had earned a 5-star safety rating from Euro NCAP as of 2016. The driving experience was largely similar, providing comfort especially on highways, though it showed a minor struggle with low-speed potholes. The all-terrain was available with a single engine option, a 3.0-liter diesel engine. This engine was a perfect match for the model, offering a quiet, smooth, and potent performance, exactly what you'd anticipate from a large executive car. Though it didn't match up to the off-road capabilities of vehicles like the Land Rover Discovery or the towing capacity of some larger SUVs, it was more than capable for occasional off-road outings or towing a horsebox across a field. What set the Mercedes E-Class All-Terrain apart was its distinct offering compared to the multitude of SUVs commonly seen in popular vacation spots. It stood out as one of the roomiest and most comfortable cars available, with sufficient capacity to navigate difficult parking lots. Moreover, it boasted a plush interior outfitted with all the desirable features. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe and like this video? Until next time, thank you and take care.